Yo guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you've read by the title, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you can be making up to £3,360, and this income isn't even a lot because of what we're doing. This website that you see on screen right now, ClickBank, pays £60, or pays you £60 for every time someone purchases the product that you are marketing. So let's say you make only 2 sales a day, so 60 times 2, that is 120. So you can be making up to £120 per day. But let's say you're getting those sales every day for a whole week, so 120 times 7, and let's say you're doing this for about a month, so 840 times 4, 3,360. That's how much you guys can be making just starting off. You can even be making more because you're probably going to make more than 2 sales a day, but let's just say you only make around 2 sales a day, and you'll probably get more sales given the fact that Christmas is coming up. Right now for me, it is the 17th of December, so only 8 days till Christmas. Okay, but let's get started with this tutorial. So as I just said, you're going to go over to a website called clickbank.com. Remember, all links used in this video will be in the description down below, so go check those out. So what you're going to do, you're just going to click start here, top right corner, and it should give you a little survey. And you're going to click on B. Sounds good. C or A or B, depending on what you are. I'm going to click on C in here. For this, I wouldn't recommend answering it properly because it's asking you about your income, which is probably a bit invading and, a bit privacy leaking. I don't know the term. I'm going to click on C here. And for this here, I'm going to do D, health and fitness, but you might pick another topic. But for this tutorial, we're going to do health and fitness. For this, I'm going to click on none of these apply to me. And I'm going to click on A for question 6. No. How do you plan on generating traffic? For this tutorial, we're going to be using Pinterest down here. H, it'll probably be a different letter for you, but we're going to be using Pinterest for this tutorial. For this, we're going to click on none, because you don't need to use any of these. For this, I'm going to click on C, because it doesn't really benefit you, these tools. For this, I'm going to do YouTube, and you probably want to as well, given the fact you're watching this video. And if you are watching this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. It means so much. It's free, it takes 5 seconds out your day, and it helps a lot. And then it's going to ask you for an email. So let's say you don't want to use your real email because you don't want all this spam, junk mail. You're going to go over to a website that is called temp-mail.org. It will generate you with a random email. You click on this green button here to copy it. And it also has an inbox in case it asks for a verification. We're going to go back over to ClickBank. Control-V. Submit. So now what we're going to do is click on watch the video, but you probably don't actually want to watch this video, so we're going to go down to no thanks, I choose to pass on this offer.
Hi, this is Perry Belcher, and
it will take you to this page. Just pause that video and then click on no thanks. It should take you over to ClickBank. So I'm going to do just Saint Side Hustle. Email address is going to be the thing I copied over here. Password, make it something that you can remember, but other people can't guess very easily. Once you've filled out all this information, you're going to click on I continue to terms and conditions. Go back over to here. I have read and agreed to terms and conditions, and then click on join ClickBank. Here I'm going to click on no thanks, continue to sign up because I don't want to join any groups. Once you've done that, you're going to click on complete my profile. From here you need to fill out all of this information here. Just do that quickly and then I'll show you what to do next. Once you've filled all that out, go over to here, affiliate marketplace, which is middle left. From here we're going to go down to health and fitness, and once you've clicked on that, you should be taken to this page here, and then you're going to see sort results by, and it says rank. We're going to make that gravity. This is just popularity. So let's find one that we want to do. Let's see. Let's do this one, Acaria Juice. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but oh well. As you can see, they pay £138 per buyer. So let's work out how much this is if we used my old mathematic stuff. So let's see. Let's say we make two sales every single day. So 138.93 times 2. So each day I'm making £277.86. And I make this every day for a whole week, 1,945. But I make this for a whole month. So times that by 4, 7,780.08. And then times that by 12, so that's 12 months. I'm making almost 100k a year. That is crazy. Just from this one product here. So what we're going to do is click on promote just under the price. So once you click to promote, you'll see it's asking for a nickname account, but assuming you haven't made one already, I'll teach you how to do it. You're going to go back to the other tab, assuming you still have that open. Hopefully you didn't close it. And click on create my account nickname. You're going to click on create a nickname. For account type, you're going to make this affiliate. So for my nickname, I'm going to make it, let's see, Saint567. Sign up. So my nickname is now Saint567. So I'm going to go back to my other tab and Saint567. And then for tracking ID, this is only optional. You don't have to do this. That's only for when they want to track the product, obviously, that they're buying. But we're not going to do that for this tutorial. You always can, but I'm not going to be showing you how to do it. Create hop link. This is our code to take them to the product to buy it. You're going to click and copy that big button there. And now we need to make a Pinterest account. We're going to click on sign up, top right corner on pinterest.co.uk. Again, link is in description. Sign up. You're going to make your email address whatever your temp mail was. So go back over to there, click on the green button. Go to Pinterest, Control V, create a password. I'm going to make mine, well, obviously I'm not actually going to tell you that. And then date of birth, make this whatever with birthday. I'm not going to make it my real birthday. And I'm not going to be telling you my real birthday either, because I don't want you guys knowing that information. Alrighty, so now that you've done that, you should be taken to this page. I'm going to click on next. So once you've done that, you should be taken to this page. I'm going to change my name to Side Hustle Saint. Remove that there. Submit. Next. I'm a male. English UK. For the tell us what you're interested in, I'm just going to make this whatever. Let's see. Football, Jordans, rappers, NBA, men's fashion. Yeah, that's it really. Done. It's just going to set this all up. And then here we go. I've got all of this now. Looks pretty sick. But this is not why we're actually on Pinterest. We're on here to promote our affiliate link. So to actually promote it, you're going to go over here to create pin. And you're going to make it whatever this is called. Let me just copy this one more time. And it is called Acari Juice. Acaria juice. But we need a photo as well to really sell the buyer. So we're going to go over to this website called pexels.com, again in the description. This just has a ton of photos like these ones here. So I'm going to search up a Acaria juice right there. So let's see. Let's find an image that I think looks very cool and the buyer would actually want to buy. Let's see. This one looks good here. So we're going to click on download, and that should just download there if you wait a second. So now if I go over to Pinterest, drag and drop, you're going to go over to your downloads, and it should be called Pexels dash then whatever it is. Open that. You should see your image. And then for add destination link, you're going to Control V to get your link and click save. And then once you put your link in, you're going to click save. And it's going to ask you what board, but you don't have a board as this is a fresh account. We're assuming it is. It might not be. But I'm going to click on create board. I'm going to call this health and fitness. Create. Now save. That should save. Just wait for that to load. See it now. This is what it should look like. So when someone clicks on this photo, this is what they should see. The picture of Acaria juice. And once they click on this link, they should be brought over to the product website. Let's see what it looks like. This is what the product looks like, the product website. And then they'll go over to buy it. And then we will get some of the money. £132, something like that. That was it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and don't forget to smash that like button and that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.